Hey guys, Nick Deal back on this Thursday, and now it is nighttime. And like I promised in my last video, I'll probably be making another video tonight showing you how to take them out. About applying my contact lenses, I would show you how to remove them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And there's only 2 steps to this. And I'm going to be in the bathroom, and I'll turn back on the camera when I get there. See you guys then. Okay guys, so the same setup before, basically like a hairspray bottle and then an Axe bottle. I'm in my dad's bathroom now, and I'm going to be doing this tutorial because they kind of have the TV up loud, so they'll be watching like, TV and stuff. But anyway, we're going to get right into the tutorial. And so first step is, you're going to go ahead and, like I said, same soap I used before, I just moved it in my dad's bathroom, is the Dial, and you can use any kind of soap. And I'll be right back as soon as I wash my hands. Be right back, guys. Alright guys, so once you have successfully washed your hands for a minute or 30 seconds to a minute, now we're going to actually remove the contact lenses. And so this is the final step, is removing the contact lens. So I said only 2 steps. And I forgot to mention, you also need contact solution in order to do this step 2. To do this process successfully. And so this is the brand I use, Multi-Purpose Solution. And I think, yeah, you can use that too, which is my dad's, which I'm going to need another bottle. Don't use saline solution, that's for a different kind of type of contact. But anyway, I'm going to set this back on my setup, and to the best of my ability. And okay, so now we're at the final and last step. So now, got your contact case. You can see it in this too, since it's a mirror kind of deal. Okay, so now you're going to remove the left cap off, or whatever eye you want to start off with. I prefer the left. And then, so, left cap's off. And so, what your first step you're going to do is you're going to fill the left, and you're going to do it the right too. You're going to fill it just halfway up. So, let's see, I might need to borrow his solution. You need to go ahead, and I don't know if I can show it, but you guys get the idea. Sorry about that, guys. About halfway up. Now you don't have to get it perfect. And so what you're going to do is eye like that, like we did before. Each side of the color of your eye, like right here. Pinch. And now you have got the left contact in your hand. So now what you're going to do is you're simply going to just put it in the left, right there, and you're just going to fill it up until it's not too full, but just full enough. So that looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and cap it on there. So now, hope solution will fall out. Twist it tight on there, and now the left's done. So now we still got the right contact on. It looks blurry and weird now, since only there's one contact. Same process, filled it halfway up. This kind of just soaks it in before you actually fill it up. So you want to fill it halfway up with the solution that you have, not saline, because it's a different type of contact. I should get in the camera to show you guys. So, up, down, each side of the color of your eye, pinch, right is out. And you like, I have long fingernails, sorry about that guys, I look like a girl, it's embarrassing. But you want to cut your fingernails so you don't end up ripping the contact. And same process, just fill it full enough, not too full, not too less, but just kind of, just about right. And you're going to slide it on. Now, contact case is on. A little drip there. They're on tight now. And now basically I don't have my glasses on me. Now you guys are officially good to go. You're ready to put your glasses on. And so yeah guys, if I helped you out in this tutorial, please smash the like button down below. I hope I really did help you out in these 2 tutorials today. So yeah, be sure to share this video, comment down below. Someone suggested to me that I do a night routine video, and so I'm probably going to do that eventually. Might do some gaming videos soon, not sure, and then I'll of course do some bowling videos. But don't use saline solution, different type of contact. I'm not sure which one it's for, but you want to use the multi-purpose, or what I showed you, the Equate. You want to use multi-purpose solution, nothing that says saline on it. And so yeah guys, till next time, probably make a video tomorrow, but you never know. But until next time guys, I'll see you later. Peace out.